Well, outsourcing your business's accounting can mean a number of things. It often depends on the size of the business, exactly what it means. But the really important bit, and I think the common ground on outsourcing, is the business gets to do what the business does best. And some or all of the bookkeeping and accounting is outsourced to people like us who know what we're doing in that area, leaving the business owners and the directors and everybody else in the business to do what they want to do, which is to run and grow their business, make it more and more successful. So that's the common ground. And I mentioned size. So what does that mean? Well, we have a number of businesses, limited companies, where it's just one person running their business, and they ask us to do all of their bookkeeping, payroll, VAT, management accounting, and year-end accounting and tax. So we do everything. In rather larger businesses, maybe hundreds of thousands, getting on towards million turnover maybe, we fill the gap between the books and the board. So there may well be an in-house bookkeeper doing quite a lot of the work. And we come along and we fill that gap between what the bookkeeper can do and what the management team in the business requires. And over time, I'd like to think that we're able to coach and help and train the bookkeeper so they do more of a job and we do less of a job. I always think it's the sort of badge of honor really with outsourcing, that you can make yourself redundant. It seems a little bit like shooting yourself in the foot, but I think that's the badge of success really, that you come in and you do a job that makes the business financial management a lot better. And sooner or later, the business might want to bring in its own team. So one of the things to do is to train them up and perhaps recruit them. So outsourcing financial management, bookkeeping and accounting, it's not for everyone, but it's a really, really good solution if, as a business owner or an MD or a CEO, you find it perhaps difficult to recruit finance people because maybe you've never done it before, and you want to just bring in people who know what they're doing from the get-go and get on with the task of making sure that your business has the financial management that it needs.